Today I want to talk about yoga and the meaning of it because sometimes we have kind of misunderstanding with the true meaning of yoga because in social media sometimes it shows like yoga is for being fit or just showing how flexible you can be, but yoga is not about that. It's more something more deeper, it's something more spiritual. And well, I want to share with you um, all these things that I believe that it's yoga. Well, yoga is about inner peace. Is like the number one, right? And then, well, it's about accepting yourself because when you are doing an asana, uh, you learn that you are not supposed to judge yourself or to say things like, oh, I can't do that, why, and this is so wrong, why I'm not so flexible like her or whatever. So it's about accepting yourself with with all of love and compassion, and having no problem if you are not so flexible, if you are not so strong, maybe because you can become stronger with the time, with the practice, with discipline, but it's okay and you have to be okay with that. So yoga, it's about if you accept yourself, you can accept life the way it is. You stop to getting conflicts with life or with yourself because things are not the way you think you're supposed to be, and you also learn to let go, because we are a lot of time trying to get control of situations, of people, and then you learn that it's better if you let go and let go. mm, Things happen and just accept them, and you will be better with situations in your life even if they are complicated or make you feel not really comfortable or not really happy. You will find the way to change it, but in that process you will be more peacefully happy. Okay, so um, yoga is also about trusting yourself and trusting in life. So if you can trust yourself, you can trust in life. If you can trust that you can achieve your goals, yeah, so you work to get them and it will happen. And then you trust in life. You trust that wonderful things are going to happen to you. You don't know when or where because you don't have the control, but you can make things possible. So you learn also to accept life, yourself, and to trust. Okay, and another thing that it's about yoga, it's watching yourself in your reactions, um, because you are always in the practice when you are doing the asanas. You are always watching yourself. You are um, your attention is in your breathing, but also it's in your body, in the movements, in your muscles, and even in your emotions. You are conscious about what are you feeling in that asana, and then you realize why are you feeling like that, or what is inside of you that makes you feel in that way, so you can work with it in the moment you realize about that. So that's really helpful. also learn to make things easier, not only in the asanas, um, in your life too. Because sometimes you can do some postures because they are kind of hard or complicated, or you are not flexible enough. So you need to use blocks or whatever that you support, that supports you, so you can do the asana. So it's the same in life. You learn to make the things um, easier. Just stop wondering why I'm not in this position in life, why I'm not uh, having something. So you learn to make easier everything because you accept and adapt yourself into the situation in life. That's the same you do in the yoga practice. So yoga is about all that beautiful things. It's not about flexibility, and also the flexibility is it's in your mind, not in your body. A lot of people told me that they are not so flexible, so they cannot practice yoga. And I always respond to them that uh, the flexibility is in the mind, not in the body. So, well, I just want to share the yoga means for me, and so how helpful it is for everyone in its life, in their lives. So, okay, thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe and, and like this video. Okay, thank you so much.